dear traders, my name is Екатерина and you're watching the daily trading plan for the 28th of May by FBS. Today's trading session will be mostly driven by news and the market sentiment. Pay attention to the updates on the trade tensions between the US and China. Yesterday, the US President Donald Trump said that the country is not ready to make a deal with China. More negative news on that matter will push the safe haven currencies such as the Japanese yen and the Swiss franc higher. At the same time, it will weaken the risk-weighted currencies such as the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar. If we look at the daily chart of USD JPY, we can see that the pair is currently targeting the weekly pivot support at 108.78. If this level is broken, the next support will lie at the weekly pivot at 108.29. Otherwise, if the USD is supported today, the pair will reverse towards the weekly pivot resistance at 109.73, and if this level is broken, the next resistance will lie at 110.21. If we look at indicators, we can see that RSI indicator is moving close to the oversold zone. If it enters this zone and then leaves it, it may bring us a buying opportunity. Also, the stochastic indicator has entered the oversold zone. If it forms the crossover, it may also be a signal of a long position. Now let's look at the 4-hour chart. Here we can see that the pair failed to stick near the resistance at 109.59 and fell to the support at 109.25. At the moment, bears are trying to break this level and target the next support at 109.8. If the support zone near these levels is broken, bears will pull the pair even lower to the weekly pivot support at 108.78. Otherwise, if bulls take over the market, they will try to retest the resistance at 109.59 and push the pair higher to the weekly pivot resistance at 109.73. Now let's consider the daily chart of GBP JPY. The British pound continues to fall down amid the Brexit uncertainties and the uncertainties about the future Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. At the moment, the pair is falling to the support at the weekly pivot at 137.64. The next support will lie at 136.47. If the pair gets positive momentum or the British pound is supported by some positive news, the pair will reverse towards the weekly pivot resistance at 139.68. The next key level will lie at 140.85. Here, if we look at oscillators, we can see that RSI is moving within the oversold zone and the stochastic indicator is about to form a crossover within this zone. Now let's look how the USD has been trading against the offshore yuan. We can see that the pair bounced On the news about on the negative news on the trade tensions, and the pair is currently testing the weekly pivot level at 692.38. If this level is broken, the next resistance will lie at 693.77. If the People's Bank of China supports the Chinese currency, the pair will fall towards the weekly pivot support at 689.94 and target the next support at 688.55. If we look at the indicators here, we can see that RSI is about to enter the overbought zone. Thank you for your attention. Follow FBS for more